A shortage in city trash trucks has Montgomery's sanitation department adding to its fleet.
WSFA 12 News anchor Ian Alvano with the trucks that have a new look.
It's meant to be a temporary stopgap to a current sanitation truck shortage in the capital city. Maintenance and repairs, mechanics retiring, and the occasional fender bender brought Montgomery's current fleet size to a number where they needed more help.
We got down to a shortage being less than what we need. We basically need 45 trucks rolling every day. And so we had gotten down below that number, which was causing us to actually run literally, like if your garbage day was normally on Tuesday, sometimes we were having to, it was pushing it on into the next day.
Now you'll see 6 white trucks like these picking up your trash. For a timeline, expect these new vehicles patrolling down your neighborhood roads for the foreseeable future.
We're actually going through budget hearings and city internal budget process now, and we have requested to purchase additional trucks. But in addition to that, we're exploring other options, long-term rental, lease purchase. So there's a lot of options out there, and we're looking at all the options to find what's the most economical for the city to move forward. So
Dunson said the shortage was affecting service, and finding new trucks locally or even across Alabama was not easy.
We actually reached out actually nationally and started looking for companies in which actually rent the type of trucks that we use, and so we were able to locate a company called BTR.
Of course, you'll see those new white trucks on the roads, but you'll also still see some of those more familiar orange trucks as well. Ian Alvano, WSFA 12 News, Montgomery.
And the city is looking towards mechanical improvements to those trucks that it has required and looking to purchase additional trucks in the future.